Have you ever seen a place so breathtaking that it feels almost unreal? Banff National Park in Canada is one of those places, a world of towering peaks, turquoise lakes, and untamed wilderness. Let me show you why this place is like no other. Welcome to Banff National Park, a natural wonder nestled in the heart of the Canadian Rockies. With over 6,600 square kilometers of jaw-dropping beauty, Banff is a must-see destination for anyone who loves nature's raw power. From its majestic mountains to its crystal-clear lakes, this park draws visitors from around the world looking to connect with nature. Whether you're hiking, skiing, or simply soaking in the sights, Banff offers a world where every moment feels like a postcard come to life. But capturing the true essence of Banff isn't easy. Its beauty is vast and overwhelming, and no single camera or lens can fully encapsulate its grandeur. You can't truly understand how magnificent this place is from just standing on the ground. The challenge is to bring viewers into its expansive world, to show them the scale, the details, and the magic that make Banff so special. Let's take a journey together across Banff National Park, from the crystal clear waters of Lake Louise to the wild expanse of Moraine Lake. Every corner of this park feels like it's straight out of a dream. These lakes are more than just beautiful. They're windows to the park's alpine ecosystem, feeding into rivers that shape the land itself. And above, the towering peaks of Mount Rundle and Mount Cascade stand guard over the valley, their jagged edges cutting through the sky. Banff isn't just about mountains and lakes. It's also home to incredible wildlife, from majestic elk roaming the forests to elusive bears hidden in the wilderness. It offers a rare glimpse into the natural world of these animals. And now, let me show you the shot that truly captures the heart of Banff. This is the view that leaves you speechless, where everything comes together. The mountains, the lakes, the sky. It's moments like this that remind us of how small we are in the grand scale of nature, yet how deeply connected we are to the world around us. In the end, Banff National Park isn't just a place you visit. It's an experience, one that stays with you long after you've left. The landscapes, the wildlife, the beauty, it's all here. A reminder of how much our planet has to offer if we take the time to appreciate it. Let's continue to protect and preserve these natural wonders for future generations. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through Banff. What was your favorite moment? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more stunning destinations around the world.